Hey, this is Professor Atachik. So I reviewed your milestone, and while I do allow you to do whatever you want, essentially, within limits, of course, I am concerned when students do sports. Flat out, you do have to bring this back to a business objective. So it's nice to predict an outcome, such as will they make the playoffs, or which player will get MVP, or something along those lines. You have to bring this back to business. So what's the business objective? What are you trying to learn and why? How is this going to help the business, the franchise, the stadium, the owner, the business? So I want you to be thinking about that. Also, when you do sports data, there's a lot of cleanup to be done. It's very easy to get all the stats on different teams or different players, but you're going to have to do a lot of cleanup. There's going to be nulls in your data sets. There could be text where you're expecting quantity or numerical data. So be very careful with that. And honestly, I think the folks that do sports are going to have much more work to do than those that choose not to. So just know that we have about a month left of the class, and you're going to have to get moving if you haven't already. Just be aware of that you're going to be doing a lot of cleanup, and you also have to figure out that outcome variable, and it has to be a 1 or a 0. You have to make it a 1 or a 0 by converting it to a dummy variable. So talk to me about that if you're still confused. All right, later.